Hi everybody!
Today we made
Pizza!
catnip pizza.
Okay, catnip pizza.
Just keep in mind that if you spend 5 hours making them or 5 minutes, it doesn't matter because your cats will
Eat a
probably not like them anyway. Luna approves. If you decide to make some at home, use hashtag catnippizzaparty so we can see what you guys do. Stick around for the tutorial. Okay, first of all, we start by cutting out each individual pizza slice, and then you're going to want to trim and cut each slice off of your fabric. You can make just one or you can make a bunch. We'll be making a bunch here today. You need a scrap piece of fabric for the backing. You're going to place them right sides together and trim a square right around your slice, leaving enough of a seam allowance for you to sew. And remember to leave a little gap here, maybe about 1 inch, so that you have room to flip your fabric and to stuff your catnip in your stuffing. Now we're gonna cut all the extra fabric from around the entire slice. If you're planning on making more than just one, it's so much easier to do all the sewing at one time and then trimming all of your edges at the same time. It makes making masses of pizza a lot easier. There we have it. All of our pizza slices are all sewn up, so we're going to want to flip it to make the right side facing outwards. For a project like this, the slice is pretty small, so you can just poke out the corners using your finger. But if you have difficulty pushing the corners out, you could use a chopstick. After flipping your pizza slices, you can stuff them with your kitty's favorite brand of catnip. Our kitties aren't too picky. And then you fill the remaining space with stuffing. And then you just continue on flipping, nipping and stuffing each slice. And once you have them all stuffed to perfection, we head back to the sewing machine to stitch them all up. And there you have it. We've made enough pizza slices to have a kitty pizza party.
explain it because I don't know how to make this.
Well, you should learn next time. You should watch this video.